folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to give you guys some selling points or my favorite features on the Teba, the TKS-15 model. Now it's awesome because this is a three-sided glass wood burning cook stove, which is pretty amazing. This unit is going to be made from steel. It is a top vent stove only. Now this is a pretty tall stove, so if you have chimney pipe that's already existing in place, that's not just a vertical, make sure you measure your height. This is going to be a fantastic product that we import from Turkey. Now, one thing to keep in mind is this is still a brand new model for us, and it has not been through the UL or ULC safety testing. When a product is not technically UL listed, you do need to adhere to greater clearance to combustibles from the wall. Also, kind of what's unique about this product is, again, the glass. Now, in the United States, and I just believe North America as well, which it would include Canada, states that you do need a 48-inch clearance off the front of any glass wood burning appliance. So that is going to make your clearances off the side of this stove 48 inches as well. So that would definitely be something to keep in mind as you're planning for the installation. However, overall, if you are kind of on the fence and are looking for a cook stove product, but maybe don't have the room in your kitchen and you want to put something in your living room or maybe some other unique space, but you don't want it to be an eyesore, the Teba is an excellent product. Again, just be sure to check with your homeowner's insurance that there are no issues there. As far as the price point goes, they are very well made for the price point we're able to offer these to you guys. Right now in 2022, these are going to be in about the $3,000 price point on up. So depending on what models you're selecting in the Teba product line. If you guys find these overviews helpful, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless, have a wonderful day.